everyone. I am Poorva Talekar. I have completed my computer engineering degree from St. John College of Engineering and Management with 9.2 CGPA. During my academics, I have joined a training institute, that is QSpiders. QSpiders have helped me a lot to upskill my skills and also learn new technologies. The trainers over here are industry experts, which brings real world scenarios into the classrooms and make complex problems much more easier and clear all the concepts. QSpiders have conducted many mock interviews, presentations and tests that have helped me to improve my knowledge as well as boost my confidence, which helped me during my interviews. So also I have been placed in a good MNC that with a good package as a system engineer. I would like to extend my gratefulness towards QSpiders. Thank you.